Gentlemen, is the skin on your face dry, flaky, or irritated? Maybe you're suffering from breakouts or even acne. Or perhaps your age is starting to catch up with you and you're starting to see wrinkles. That being said, gents, you gotta face the fact you probably don't have a good skincare routine. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you learn how to properly wash your face. Now, before jumping into this, let's lay out the ground rules. Rule number 1, wash your hands first. It sounds simple, but so many men forget this critical step. Guys, there's bacteria all over your hands and you don't want to transfer it onto your face. Rule number 2, use the right products. Now, gents, you don't want to use the same bar of soap that you just cleaned your butt with to clean your face. That is just gross. Also, most bar soaps are using cleaners that can be too rough on the face. Gents, you want a more gentle wash, one designed specifically to clean the face. You see, the skin on your face is more delicate than the skin on the rest of your body, and a lot of soaps, they actually contain artificial chemicals like parabens, sodium lauryl sulfate, and even formaldehyde. Yes, the stuff used to embalm bodies. This is used commonly in most bar soaps. The result is, guys, you end up drying out your face when you think you're cleaning it, and that's why you're getting that red flaky look. When you're looking at soaps, you want something that's going to be pH balanced. That means it's got good chemistry for the skin, for natural moisturizing ingredients like white tea extract, witch hazel, and aloe vera juice. Next up, use the right water temperature. So when it comes to water temperature, you don't want to go to the extremes. Hot water, it can cause dryness and irritation, and cold water, it actually isn't going to open up the pores, which you actually need them to open up to get them properly cleaned. I recommend you use warm water at the beginning of your routine. We're talking about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe 40 degrees Celsius. This is gonna soften up your skin and open up the pores. And when you're rinsing off at the end, use cooler water. We're talking about 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius to close up the pores. Now that we've got the rules laid out, let's dive into the ultimate skincare routine. Step 1, wash your face. So you want to wash your face twice daily, once in the morning to remove any oil and sweat from while you were sleeping, and once at night to clean off the dirt, grime, and pollution and sweat from the day. Start by wetting your face with warm water, then put about a nickel-sized amount of face wash onto your palm. Rub your hands together to form a lather, then gently apply it evenly over your face. Now the key here is don't move in a hard downward motion. This can actually stretch the skin and cause premature wrinkles and even skin sagging over time. Instead, work in a gentle upward motion. After 20 seconds of washing, rinse your face with warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. And let me emphasize, a clean towel. You don't want to reuse the same towel you just used to clean your body and your butt crack. Don't rub your face roughly with the towel. Over time, this causes irritation and can even stretch the skin and cause wrinkles. Step 2, apply a face mask. To get a deeper clean and remove dirt from the pores, you want to use a face mask. Now, I know some of you guys are saying, come on, Antonio, a face mask, it sounds girly, but guys, trust me, it's an essential step. Now, you don't have to use a face mask daily. 1 to 2 times a week is perfectly fine. With clean fingers, spread the mask across your face until you have an even, solid layer. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Then remove the mask by wetting your fingers and massaging the water into the mask. Once it reaches a creamy texture, you can then easily rinse it off with cool water and then pat dry with the towel. Now, really quick, guys, got a question for you. Have you looked at the ingredients of the grooming products currently in your bathroom? The products you are putting on your skin into your body. Here's the deal, gents. To have great looking skin, you got to give your skin what it needs, when it needs it, every single day. And to do that, gents, you want to have products that use natural and organic ingredients. But as you probably know, gents, finding the right products for your skincare routine, especially if you've got sensitive skin, can be a pain in the backside. Well, to make this easy, gents, I had my team over at Vitamin put together the ultimate face care kit. First up, we've got the face and body cleanser. This removes dirt, removes oil. What I love about this soap is you can use it 10 times a day, and it's not going to irritate or dry out your skin. At the same time, it's going to get you clean. Next up, we've got our proprietary face mud mask. This contains kaolin. This is a unique Australian clay that actually helps to rejuvenate the skin, to firm it up, and to get rid of wrinkles. Next up, our all-natural face scrub. This helps to remove dead skin cells, clean out the pores, and prevent breakouts. Next up, our Eye and Lip Reviver Gel. This is going to get rid of the black dark circles, any puffiness around the eyes. Next up, our secret weapon, the Skin Protector. So this right here is going to rejuvenate your skin by infusing it with vitamin C. It's going to make your skin more supple, more young looking, and it's going to prep it for the face moisturizer. And with our face moisturizer, non-greasy, fast absorbing. This is gonna keep your skin looking good, bring color back to it, keep your skin hydrated all day. Guys, all 6 of these products are featured in today's video, and I've put them together in one package so that you can save money. You wanna grab that package? Use the link down in the description of today's video to get the best deal over at Vitaman. This is my company, so I stand behind every single product. We've got a money-back guarantee. It's not gonna be around forever, so get that deal now. Use it or lose it. Step 3, exfoliate. Now, on average, you should exfoliate about twice a week. This removes the dead skin cells and gives your skin a healthy, youthful glow. Now, I will say that some guys are really sensitive here, so if you're seeing any type of irritation, go ahead and stop the exfoliation or maybe reduce it to once a week. And don't do it on the same day as your face mask. So to get started, you want to dampen your face with warm water and then apply a dime-size amount of the scrub onto your palm. Rub your hands together to spread the scrub, then gently apply it to your face in gentle circular strokes. And no need to rub hard, this isn't the kitchen floor. After about 30 seconds, you should have exfoliated the whole face, and now you can rinse with cool water and pat dry with the towel. Step 4, eye serum. So if you suffer from puffy eyes, dark circles, crow's feet, or wrinkles around the eye, you want to be using an eye serum. Now, whatever serum you're using, make sure it's using natural ingredients. This is going to enter your body. Some natural ingredients to look for are grapefruit peel oil, rosehip seed oil, and bilberry fruit extract. To get started, apply a pea-sized amount of eye cream to your pointer fingers and then gently apply it around your eyes. Now, don't apply the serum to the eyelid itself. You want to focus on the skin around the eyes, right below it and right above it. And no need to rub them in. Eye serums are made to easily absorb into the skin. Now, you want to give the serum about a minute to take hold, and in general, use the eye serum only once per day. Preferably, make it part of your evening routine. Step 5, skin protector. So to keep your skin looking young, you want to use an anti-aging skin protector. This is going to be your secret weapon. One of the hidden benefits of a skin protector is it helps to prep your skin to absorb your face moisturizer later on. Basically, if you can imagine, it's like a dry sponge. A dry sponge isn't going to pick up a stain, but a slight damp sponge is easily going to soak it up. Now, when you're looking at skin protectors, you want to make sure you select one that has vitamin C. I know the products I use, they contain Kakadu plum, and basically this is a powerful natural antioxidant which contains more vitamin C than pretty much any other food out there. I like to use the skin protector twice a day, but if you've got to make a choice, I would prefer in the evening because that way you give time for your skin to absorb it and for it to really do its magic. To get started, apply a pea-sized amount to your jaw, cheeks, and forehead. Gently smooth the protector outward, starting from your chin and spreading it across your jaw, then from your cheeks to your temples, and then your eyebrows to your hairline. This technique ensures complete penetration of the protector and provides a little massage that tightens the skin. Step 6, your moisturizer. So you need to moisturize every time you clean your face. This is going to replenish the natural oils that are washed away. So go ahead and pour out a nickel-sized amount of the moisturizer and rub it between your hands. Gently spread it around your face, working in an upward motion. Don't use a lot of pressure. Rubbing too hard creates friction that will cause some of the water content to evaporate before it can start to replenish your skin. Now you want to give the moisturizer about a minute to absorb in before moving to the next step. Step 7, sunscreen. Now, step 7 is optional, but I do recommend you put on sunscreen if you've got light-colored skin, if your family's prone to skin cancer, or you're going to be spending a lot of time outdoors. And guys, you probably already know this, but UV rays from the sun, they cause your skin to age prematurely. I highly recommend you choose a sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or greater. And make sure your sunscreen protects you both from UVA and UVB rays. Most of them are going to protect you from UVB rays, which cause the sunburn, but UVA rays, this can cause the premature aging of the skin, so look for it. And remember, your skin is a sponge, so try to find a sunscreen that uses natural ingredients like coconut oil, shea butter, and carrot seed oil. And after you apply the sunscreen, wait 15 minutes. It takes about this long for the sunscreen to start to be able to protect you. Now, gents, I know you've got an opinion. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of the video. Did you learn anything new? I want to hear from you. What video to watch next? How about how to properly wash your hair? Yes, guys, so many men are messing this up, and in this video, I show you how to do it the right way.